Venom.
What's up everyone, and welcome back to the Owl's Nest. Today's video we are going to be opening the Venom Blacklight t-shirt and pop bundle. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to be opening the Blacklight Venom t-shirt and pop bundle. Really freaking sweet. Most anticipated pop of the year, in my opinion, or for me. So yeah, this is the Target exclusive Venom as Eddie Brock Blacklight exclusive pop, whatever you want to call it. I'm excited. In this video we are going to crack this open. We're going to try on the t-shirt, we're going to look at the pop, and then we're going to look at the Blacklight Glow of the Venom. That's going to be really freaking sweet. So without further ado, let's go ahead and crack this open and let's get this video started. I can't wait. I've been waiting for this pop ever since it was announced. I was like, I want to get that pop. I want to get that pop. And I started seeing like the Ghost Rider go up, and I seen the Hulk go up, and the Carnage, and those pops are like well over $200 a piece right now, I believe. Don't quote me on that, but I believe they're like $200 plus. So whenever I seen that the Venom pop was going to be actually a Blacklight pop and t-shirt bundle, I was like, yeah, I'm not going to be able to get that because, you know, people are going to get that, they're going to flip it, and it's going to be too high for me to actually get. But I got this on a whim. I actually was looking for another pop and t-shirt bundle. Hold on. I was actually looking for this guy right here. I'm going to be opening this later as well. But I was actually looking for that guy right there. I went into my local Target and asked them. I was like, do you have any Marvin the Martian pop and t-shirt bundle? They're like, no. Oh yeah, we do have them, but they're street dated for a certain date. So I was like, okay. Do you guys have any Venom Blacklight pops? He's like, yeah, we just got them in this morning. So I was like, let me get a size large, and he came back with this one right here. And I wasn't expecting to get it because, you know, with me and my luck, I have to travel like 45 minutes away from where I live to actually the Target. So, can you say right place, right time? Yeah, this guy right here. Let's go ahead and just crack this open, get all the formalities out of the way, and just see what this thing looks like. I actually want to see if they're going to make it like a pop protector for this whole thing, so I can put it back in there and let it be. Alright, so there we have the t-shirt. Bam, there's the pop. Dude, that looks sick. There he is right there. Venom, Eddie Brock, the right side, the back. You can see Carnage right there. Is he going to be another common, or because I believe he's a Funko Shop exclusive, and you can't get him any other place except for the Funko Shop unless they bring out a common version. But there he is right there, Carnage. The other side and the front again. Really freaking sweet. Before we go any further, you know what we gotta do. We gotta put on a shirt. So let's go ahead and look at this shirt. Oh my god, this looks really freaking sick. Oh my god. Alright, I like it. So you know what we gotta do, right? In 3, 2, 1. Bam. There we go, right there. We got the Venom t-shirt. Looks really freaking sweet. Holy crap, man. That looks really, really sweet. Dope, if you will. Lit, fire, flame, rad, awesome, whatever you want to call it. It's that right there. Cool. That leaves this guy right here. Let's go ahead and take him out of the box, see what he looks like outside of the box, and then we'll do the Blacklight Glow. That's gonna be pretty freaking cool, I think. We want to be easy with it, not damage the box, because or should I say sheesh. Just looking at it outside of the box, oh my god, dude, that looks really freaking sick. There we go, right there. There's the Blacklight Venom, really freaking sweet. It looks pretty much the same as the regular common, but you know, Blacklight edition, you know. There we go, right there. I don't have my Blacklight, my turntable thing set up. I need to get another one because it don't operate, and unless it is hooked up to the wall. And right now I'm kind of tapped out on all the wall charging AC adapter parts. Like pretty much everything is used in this room with the outlets. So I gotta find some way to get a battery operated turntable thingy. And yeah, that's pretty cool. The true test lies with the black light. So let me go ahead and turn these lights out as much as possible, and then we will hit the black light. Alright, so there we go. We're in the somewhat dark. There we go right there. Let's look at the black light. Got my flashlight here. Let's see. I don't know how well this is going to do. I don't know. Maybe I might take some pictures and actually put it in this video because this don't do it justice. It's too much. It's not working. It's not working. Yeah, let me actually take some pictures and I'll show you. You've probably seen them right now. Dude, that looks pretty sick, man. Yeah, that looks pretty sick. I would say that's pretty sickness right there. I believe that calls for a badassery. Yeah. Alright. Pretty cool. That's it. That's all I wanted to show you in this video. We got the pop right here. We got the shirt. So that is it. I'd like to thank you for clicking and watching. Be sure to give this video a like, a comment, and a subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. On behalf of the Owl's Nest, I will see you flock of collectors in the next one.